Test. Ah, what's up, guys? So the trade ended up going to take profit, which is quite unfortunate. It was gonna be a really good 1K, but yeah. And if you guys check, NQ did achieve the target we've been talking about. ES, there was another entry on ES right here that could have confirmed the high, and that's also like a really clean entry. You could have just had your stop just at the body, the high, and then you could have targeted the lows, which that could have been like another 2R right there. Gold, surprisingly, also it did go to our take profit. So we got the failure to manipulate right there. This, I was really waiting for price to trade above this high and then continue lower, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. All right. So what else? NQ, yeah, NQ did what it did. It did cause that change in state, and that high state protected as we talked about. Yep. But like overall, YM did me dirty. I did myself dirty, I should say, because on the yeah, for some, I guess some personal stuff, so I had to stop the live stream. So for the previous live stream, if you guys go ahead and check it out, you guys will find out that I did said I will not move my stop until we kind of take out that low. Then I will move my stops to break even. But as soon as we got this failure to close below, I got FOMO'd a little bit and I did not follow my plan, and that was like not the best, especially for like the people that are viewing the live stream. Like you're not following what you said you're gonna do, so it's just like, yep. So I got in like 77, which is like right here. So I got my entry somewhere in here with the plan to kind of get like a 1K right here. So the PSP, as I was expecting, I knew that the PSP is gonna do its job. I was also gonna go for a limit on the PSP itself, and going for that low, that would give me like 2R. Going for that low, it's gonna give me 3R. And yeah, so I ended up missing on that trade. So that was like a really good clean 2R that was in the book, but I ended up missing it out. But no worries, we can still make that money. And for the account, it's still 446, which is not the best. So as you guys can see, if you guys check on the orders, yep, somewhere in here. Let me see. Yeah, this is the fail. So this is what I got failed on. So I got tagged down like 28, somewhere in here, and then I got tagged out like 35. Yep. So 28. This was my entry candle. So as soon as I got that, I got tagged down right there, and that's the candle that literally traded back into my BE. Pause a little bit, trade higher, pause a little bit, trade a little bit more higher. Then we get the push down. So yeah, GC did not give us our trade, so nonetheless. Yeah, on GC, if we got like that sweep, that would be beautiful. Let me see RB, what RB's doing. Holy shit. This is what we talked about RB, guys. This is what we said about RB, right? If you guys remember, I said I don't want to see the failure. I don't want to see price close below. And he closes C2 to confirm the 10 a.m. low. And yep, and directly opened up and expanded higher. But like, the only available entry would be just at the open of that candle, and then you could target it that high. But yeah, what I really want to see right now is just kind of trade a little bit lower. And if we form like another swing, that would be really, really great. So yeah, that's for me for now. I really want to see. So I missed down on YM. Shut off none. Shut off none. Son, What you trying to say? Are you trying to say Snen? Shut off non son. I'm not really sure what you're trying to say. Anyways, back to it. So you guys see on YM. So if you got something, you can just type in the keyboard and let me know what you mean. So yeah, I got tucked out right here. Just at break even. So if I hold my trade, that would have been like a really easy 1K win. Give me one sec. Let me check. Let me check the channel. Is that my brother? I think he's my brother. Anyways, we're back. So yep, that was the trade. I missed out on it. If you guys go on live on the previous stream, you'll see that. There's the trade, the position. So account summary. I just closed out break even. I was supposed to. Yeah, I was risking $500 to get 1K. So, yep. That was that for that trade. RB. It's setting up as I want. I really want to see price trading below that low. And probably form like an SMT with the opening price of that candle, with that current candle. That would be really, really great. That would be really good if we form some sort of SMT here. And then we break above. And then we can take it to that high. Or the next open row, which I'm not really sure what is it. But yeah. That would be also great. Alright. So we got the failure swings. Like everything we planned happened, man. Like it's just crazy. That's good. That's great. Like it's good to see your analysis play out, but the most unfortunate part is that you're not on the trade. Because you can analyze, if you're like a good analyzer, it's like a totally different case with the trader. Because if you just analyze and you don't take trades, then yeah, you're just an analyst, you're not a trader. And I don't want to be an analyst, I want to be a trader. Alright. That's something also interesting on each O. That's something else I might take. Let me see on the M5 if I have like a lower. No. If I want to risk on that one, if I want to go with, that would be good. I think this trader is also good on HO, so I'll go ahead and set the alert right there. If it shows it stop, I got a candle too. That aligns with that failure to manipulate, and that would be great. And not only that, we have an SMT. Oh, what I was talking about RB just happened right there. I wanted to see like an SMT with the opening price of the candle, but we ended up getting an HO. So yeah, that would be really great, because by the time we kind of close above that one, we'll have the reversal sequence, which is did it off PDRA. We have an inversion and a intercandle changing state, which is really ideal. So, and this is more of the fractal model plus the failure to manipulate. So this was the relevant swing just before that C2, and now we get that one. So yep, I might be able to get that trade if it sets up. Let me go and do. I'm probably gonna risk a lot more on that one. I just want to make like 1K out of it, like 900. Also 900 is perfect. Okay, so that would be the trade for now. Let's see if we're gonna get that trade, guys. Let's see if we're gonna get it. That would be ideal. It's gonna make up for that YM mistake that I made of moving my stops to break even early than what I'm supposed to do. So SMT with the opening price, PDRA holding, inversion, failure to manipulate, and a changing state. So that would be really ideal if we get that trade. So let's see, guys. Let's just give it some time to play out, and let's see also if we have PSPs or not. If we have some PSPs, we don't have, which is perfect. All right. So you don't have to worry about the wick right now. You can just have your stops at the body. And again, the opening price is just aligned with that one, so I might just have to trail my stop just a little bit lower, just to give it some breathing room, just like right here, just below the current low. You never know what's gonna happen because the opening price is aligned with that body. So I might just like have like an extra $40 of risk and get myself safe. So yeah, that's the trade for HO, guys. Let's see if we're gonna take that one. And I haven't made the thumbnails for the channel. I haven't changed the name. I had this channel for like 9 years now, and I was doing like some gaming content on it. And now I'm still haven't like totally shifted it to trading, which I should. All right, so first reversal sequence just happened. We got like two reversal sequences: the respect of the bullish PD array, and also the inversion of the bearish gap. So that's the second one. Now the third one. If we get that changing state, boom! I'm smashing it. I'm smashing that trade. I'm actually gonna smash it, bro. So we get 3 minutes until entry. If we get that trade, that would be good. If we lose, we lose. If I lose that trade, I'll go back to break even or like minus 100 or like minus $70 on the balance. So most likely it will be tough to get that back in like within the next 2 days. I would have to extend the period or just like reset the account. All right, I've seen some reaction right there. Let me see if I still have any. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, it's too noisy, man. I'm just gonna put the volume a little bit lower, and we're gonna play some music. Is it on? I should stop it right there. All right, come on, Joe. Oh, it shows failing to break above. All right, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see what's gonna pop. Let's see what's happening right there. Trying to be you. I mean, trying to be having you. Let's go. Let's go. Give me my entry. 30 sec. 36 seconds. All right. This might just confirm this opposing candle. We got the changing state. HO. Come on, HO. Be good with me today. That's not 2R, but that's what do it. Create limit order. Gonna go with 4. Just go with 4. So I'm just gonna go 1 point lower. Just gonna force that one right here. Might just have to go some like this to kind of be able to get that 1K out of it. Let's see. 824, 924. All right. Might go like 1 point lower. 940. 1K. Like 1K has to be all the way down here for the entry. But I now can risk. Oh, now I can risk 5 units. That's perfect. I might just go and risk 5. All right. Oh, holy shit! What just happened, man? So let's see. So we have this volume gap, and I'm gonna put my stop right there. So yeah, that would be my entry. I'm gonna go with 4, 5. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take it for 5, guys, to get that 1K. Oh, what did I just do? Sentry. Live again? Yeah, man. I paused the live stream just by mistake because I had some personal stuff. So I had to pause the live stream, and I did not realize that I caught it. So for if trader, you've been there for the YM trade, right? So the YM trade did end up going to take profit and way beyond the take profit. So now I'm trying to go long on HO. So that's what's going on right now. So I took the break even on YM. I was up like 400 bucks, and then I got a break even out of it because I did not like BA, but like it did go to TP, which is good. Now it's HO. So It's a GP on the chart, but it's not a GP on the book, so it's still like a break-even day. So yep, I'm trying to go on long on each O. We have this failure to manipulate. We took out the high. We have this candle two closure. Let me show what's going on right there. Do you see what we have? We have that candle two. Now we're aligned. 10 a.m. is all the way down right here. So now we're aligned with the 4 hour and the daily because we're way above the daily open. So yeah, I'm gonna set a limit. Hopefully we can get tagged in with that retest to go higher. That would be really clean. But yeah, let's see. I'm not really sure because this 30-minute candle has to trade all the way back to the current opening price, which is not really ideal. So yeah, let me just create a limit right there. Go with 5 and let me see if I have a PSP. We don't. Oh, that's good. Come on, come on. Close right there. Close right there. That way it will be easier for price to kind of go that back. And let me see. Let me see if we're gonna get a closure. 4, 3, 2, 1, and I guess we did get the closure. So I'm just gonna go ahead, place my buy limit. Take profit rejected on why? Stop loss why? Should I go just with 4? What is wrong? Come on, man. I don't want to miss that trade, please. Create limit. I want to go. Do you want me to go with 4? Is 4 okay? All right. No worries. I hope it doesn't go without me. 9 3 is also good. Like, not gonna lie. Let's see. So, what about going for like the open price? Stops here. Yeah, that also can happen, but yeah, I just want this. You know what? Let's just put it just here. Just so you. Holy shit! Like it's like a fat dump, I guess. Yeah, it's a fat dump. I think I should have just left my entry. Holy shit! That shit is just dying, bro. Holy cow. Damn. Yeah, that's the problem. It's like by the time we get the entry, the candle is gonna be bearish. Minus 319. Holy shit, I think that's gonna be a stop loss. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a stop loss. It's an easy stop loss. Damn. That push was crazy. I think I'm trying to revenge the YM trade just by going on each O, I guess. Yeah, that's a stop loss for sure. Yeah, I'm sure that's a stop loss. Let's see the 30-minute. Oh, this candle closed. Fuck, man. I did not pay attention. Shit. Yeah, the candle closed already. And it closed. Shit. I thought I'm still trading within that candle. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a loss. 420. 5? Holy shit, minus 500? How much am I risking for that trade? Yeah, fuck that. Fuck, man, I did not pay attention. The fact that we did trade above it. Let me see. Let me see what happened wrong here. We did trade above it. The candle confirmed. The new candle confirmed the high. All right. I think we're back at break even or even below. Yeah, back below break even. Yeah. I think it was just. I think I was really FOMOing just because of that trade. I was just trying to get like a revenge, which is not something I should do, especially after 5 years of trading. Yeah. Oh, we did take that out. Let me see. Hmm. Let me see CL. Feels like similar to that case. Just we took out a high, change state, got a next high, change state again, next high, change state. Hmm. Kind of low. All right. HO. Let's see. Let's see if we can get like something else. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Let's see if price is gonna respect that fair value gap. I really want to see. I think I'm just gonna call it a day right here, guys. I think there are some notes that I should really take because instead of taking the winner, which was right here, I took the winner. I got a break even on it, and then I ended up chasing a trade on HO, and yeah, with like no 4-hour profiling, none like that, and I ended up, yeah. Just look how the 10 a.m. Oh shit, 10 a.m. kind of really expanded. Oh, already. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, that's it, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.